How to get free coins in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get free coins in 8-ball pool. Getting free coins in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Daily spin and win. Every day, you get a free spin on the spin and win wheel. Spin the wheel to win coins, cash and other prizes. Sometimes you can win large amount of coins through the daily spin. Watch ads. You can earn free coins by watching ads. After completing a match or during a specific promotion, you will often see an option to watch a video and earn coins. Winning matches. The primary way to earn free coins is by winning matches. Tournaments. Participate in tournaments to earn coins. Tournament involves several rounds to play, and winning the tournament can yield a large coin prizes. And here you go. These are some ways you can get free coins in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.